Want to use Mailchimp for B2B marketing but not sure where to start? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to harness this powerful tool for your business-to-business campaigns and drive results you can measure. Plus, I'll share how you can get started for free with some exclusive bonuses, so keep watching till the end to get the details. Mailchimp is one of the most popular email marketing platforms out there, and it's a great fit for businesses, large or small, looking to connect with other businesses. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your Mailchimp account. Sign up is free, and once you're in, you can start building your B2B email campaigns. The next thing you'll do is import your contacts. For B2B marketing, this typically means importing a list of potential leads or existing clients from your CRM or spreadsheet. Make sure to segment your contacts by categories like industry, region, or sales stage. This will help you personalize your campaigns, which is key when marketing to businesses. The third thing you'll want to do is create your email campaign. In Mailchimp, this is simple. You can choose from pre-designed templates or build your own from scratch. The key here is to make sure the message is tailored to the needs of your business audience. Keep the subject line clear and to the point, as B2B decision makers are often busy and need to quickly understand the value your message offers. Next, make sure to automate your campaigns. One of the most powerful features Mailchimp offers is email automation. You can create a drip campaign to send a series of emails to potential clients over time. For instance, after a lead signs up for your newsletter, you can set up an automated sequence that educates them about your product or service, leading them toward a conversion. The fifth thing to keep in mind is analyzing your campaign performance. Mailchimp gives you powerful reporting tools that track open rates, click-through rates, and other important metrics. Use this data to adjust your strategy and improve future campaigns. You'll want to test different subject lines, images, and calls to action to find out what works best for your B2B audience. Finally, let's talk about integrating Mailchimp with other tools. For B2B marketing, you likely use a CRM or a project management tool, and Mailchimp allows you to sync with these platforms seamlessly. This integration ensures you have the latest data on your contacts and can send personalized emails based on real-time information. Before we wrap up, remember you can use Mailchimp for completely free from the first link in the description, plus gain access to our exclusive bonuses. You'll be able to dive in and start building your campaigns right away without worrying about cost. That's how you can use Mailchimp for B2B marketing. If you're looking for a great platform to start or enhance your B2B email campaigns, Mailchimp is a solid choice. And remember, don't forget to grab your exclusive, extended free trial by clicking the first link below. Thanks for watching and happy marketing!